Hey everyone, on today's tutorial I'll be showing and explaining to you how surveys work, and to start this tutorial off what we need to do is just click on our dashboard and just go to this little configuration setting wheel, go into it, and what we're doing now is just installing our little application. It's called K-Server application, so just click over here and just scroll down and find it. You'll have to just look around. I've already checked where it is, so just here it is already. I'm just going to select it, install it, enable in Suites for Heaven. That's the website we're working for. And just say OK, and you'll see it's been installed. Just to double check that it's been installed, you'll see that it says K-Survey. And what we're going to do is click on it so we can add our survey information, and then from there we can add it to our website. So you need to just click on Add New Survey. And what I've done is I've already got a little window here with all my titles and everything just to speed this process up. And I'm just going to save it as number 1, favorite suites, and the survey title can be a favorite suite survey, and my description can be that. So I've just given a brief description. This is for your dating, so it's available from, so basically you can set your survey to only go live basically from a certain date to a certain date, and it'll stop as you set it. So what I'm going to do is just go a bit back into time, just so that the survey can be active, because if you activate it on the same day, sometimes with time zones and computers it just doesn't pick it up. So I usually go a day before just to test it out, and then once I'm happy I come back and change it. So what I'll do here is just change this to the 12th, because that'll be the starting date and that'll be the ending date. And you just say apply, and you want to enable this survey. So I click the box on, and you want to select the website that you're going to be using it on. So if you have 4 or 5 websites and it's basically the same title and the same survey, and you want to spread it along, just click on all the websites that you have. That's very rare though, but just letting you know that option is there for you. So say save, and as you can see it's enabled. It tells you all the status, and what we need to do now is edit the content in it. So what we're going to do is click on the actions and edit it, and basically you can see all the things here, all the information, and click on questions, and we're going to add a new question today. So the title I will add is how often do you purchase suites at your retail locations, and I'll just paste that in. And you've got your question types, which is pretty cool. So what questions types would you like? Multiple choice, plain, a yes or no question, a single choice. Today I'm going to use multiple choice because I want to see a variety of my audience that I'm specializing to. So you can make it mandatory also if they have to do it or not. So next thing is we're going to add in our little body text, and what I'm going to do is just copy and paste quickly. And that's basically it, and save it. The next thing that we have to do is just add in our answers. As you can see, type in your answer and press enter. So what I do is I just copy these, because these are going to be my multiple choice answers, and just say enter. And there, basically that's it. And if you want to edit anything, there's these edit options. You can delete them. As you can see, you can move them up and down. You can reorder them. So that's basically how it's going to be. And if you'd like to preview your survey, you can click on preview, and it'll give you a website that you want to preview it on. And that's basically how it's going to look. And you can just click on that little option, whichever one you want. You can click on multiple ones, and you can submit it. And what it'll do is it'll bring up a screen for you. Let's just do one quickly. So say for instance you choose more than 7 times, and maybe 2 to 3 times a month. You can say submit, and it'll say submitted successfully, and it'll give you a kind little message saying it's been completed. And you can actually click here to review your results, and it can actually tell you how many people have actually voted for those two options or whichever options are available. And it gives you a little title. It's pretty cool. Or you can go back and you can go back to survey list. Basically, a survey list is if you have 12 or more surveys in here, you can actually select the one and you can view the results. As you can see, there's buttons there. So that's basically it. And what we're going to do next is add this survey to our website. So click on Website Manager, click on the websites, and we're going to edit our pages. Today I'm going to put my survey on the home page, so I'm going to edit the home page. And as you can see, it looks very basic, it's very simple. So what we're going to do is go to our components. I've added a container already, there's a spare one there. So I'm going to go to my components and I'm going to select my applications and I'm going to look for my case survey app components. As you can see, there's a case survey list, case survey results, and case survey form. So the list would usually go to the top, as when people come here they can look at it first, and we can have our form after that. And this form we have to edit it also. The list and the results we don't edit them or add in any settings due to the fact that Codemy results and gives you all the statistics at the end of the day, which is pretty cool. So what we're going to do is on the form we're going to just edit this, and you're going to just select the survey that you want. So that's the one that we've created. Just select it and save, and it's loaded. And basically what we need to do next is just add in our list. Oh, my apologies. The results, my bad, sorry. So there's the results and it gives you your percentage there. And there's everything, and just save. And that's basically it. So what we're going to do now is just test it, and I'm going to show you how to clear your survey statistics and results. And for instance, we can click over here and just say view. And as you can see, it's already done this already. We've already done the survey. So how to clear it is go down to case surveys, click on the edit button and statistics, and it tells you which platform it's been on, and yeah, you can see all the votes and how the survey has been working. So here's this little clear results. You can download the CSV file so you can upload it to your Microsoft Excel or to other platforms, whichever you'd like, and just say clear. I'm just going to say clear for all results, or you can do it for specific users. So just say clear. It's been saved. I just refresh again, refresh my other page that I've got open on my website. As you can see, the survey is refreshed and it's open again, and basically you can select it and submit just to see that it works. And there we go, it's been submitted and it's on your website. And that's basically how you do a survey, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope this helps.